Hey everyone, welcome back to another deep dive into the world of blockchain. Today I'm breaking down the basics of blockchain nodes and peer-to-peer networks. Let's get started. First up, what is a blockchain node? In simple terms, a node is any computer or device connected to a blockchain network. Each node stores a copy of the blockchain, handling transaction data and validating or processing transactions. But not all nodes are created equal. There are several types, each with its own role. Let's start with full nodes. These bad boys store the entire blockchain history from the very first block to the latest. They verify every transaction and block against network rules, making them crucial for the network's integrity and security. Think of them as the ultimate guardians of the blockchain. For instance, Bitcoin and Ethereum full nodes store all past transactions. Next, we have light nodes, also known as SPV, simplified payment verification nodes. These nodes only store block headers, not the entire blockchain, making them more resource efficient and faster to sync. They're like the lightweight champions, perfect for wallets that need to verify transactions quickly without downloading the whole blockchain. Now let's talk about minor nodes, essential in proof of work, POW blockchains like Bitcoin. These nodes solve cryptographic puzzles to add new blocks to the chain, ensuring transaction validity. They're the powerhouses working hard to keep the blockchain running smoothly. Finally, we have validator nodes, key players in proof-of-stake, POS, blockchains like Ethereum 2.0. Instead of solving puzzles, they create blocks based on their stake in the network. Think of them as the chosen ones, selected to validate transactions and create new blocks based on their holdings. Alright, moving on to peer-to-peer, P2P networks. The backbone of blockchain's decentralized architecture. In a P2P network, nodes act as peers, sending and receiving data without a central server. This setup is all about decentralization and security. Here's how it works. When a transaction occurs, it's broadcast across the P2P network. Nodes validate the transaction, and once it's approved, it's added to a block and ultimately to the blockchain. This way, no single point of failure can compromise the system. Each node's copy of the blockchain enhances security and tamper resistance. One of the biggest advantages of a P2P network is its resilience. No central server means no single point of attack, making the network incredibly secure. Plus, since all nodes have equal roles, no single entity controls the network, supporting true decentralization. Nodes connect directly to each other, not through a central server. When a new node joins, it finds existing nodes to get network information and starts distributing data. Transactions and blocks are relayed across the network, ensuring consistency. And there you have it, blockchain nodes and P2P networks demystified. Nodes play a vital role in maintaining security, integrity, and decentralization in blockchain networks, while P2P architecture ensures resilience and decentralization. If you have any questions or want a deeper dive into any of these topics, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget